Good morning, traders. This is Christopher from forextags.com. We had a fantastic day yesterday in the pound dollar, although we didn't have the chance. Yesterday, the pound dollar, if you're not careful, you could lose, and not lose, you could miss out on this trade. Beautiful. Came out here. Let's just have a look at the hourly chart to start with. What we're looking at today is still bullish. The bias is still to the upside in the pound dollar. We've got beautiful pullback here on the levels. Let's just put fib levels here and we'll show you how this works really well in the hourly chart if you're patient enough. Let me change these Fibonacci's to a different color, we can see them properly. Let's put dark blue. There you go, and double check something. That should be 66%. That's 66.0. As you can see, guys, here, this level here, beautifully done. Double bottom, and then you take the trade in this day. What I'm expecting in this level here, we put Fibonacci levels here today. We could see at this stage here we can trade counter trends. So what we can do is look at the London session today. We could see some pullbacks. I would like to see stop hunt around this zone here, which is the 16200 level, to start buying this again for as a long term. For the short term and long term, here we have nice beautiful uptrend. So we're looking at this to buy the pound dollar again around those levels here. We see the 200. We could see we have a match here on the 66%, this micro level with the 5-day 50%, and also we have the 2.5-day threshold here level. So this is a good level to buy. This is why I want to be patient. This is the bench. I want to take only benchmark trade. This is a benchmark trade here, double bottom. It could happen during New York, but I'm a bit sometimes aggressive, and if I see stop hunt, this is the accumulation channel here, see stop hunt around those levels, so maybe we can take it short in the morning and then as a counter trend, and then come New York session we will be buying this pair at New York session, or see if we have any breakouts to buy to the top side today again and see what happens. Let's just see today. So today the bias is mixed. London session we're looking to shorts, and New York we're looking to buy in this pair. Let's have a look at the euro dollar and just drag it in. Euro dollar, let's have a look at the hourly chart first, see what it says, give us the story there. Looking very nice again. Let's have a look at the fib levels, whereas we can see it. We've got some fib here first, and the micro levels. I would like to see the actually, let me just do something here while I'm at it. No, not this one. No, come on. Fibonacci, if I put dollar sign 660, if I put that one, that should give me the numbers. Okay, so if we look at this level here, I'm looking at the 135.50 level here to buy, and also have 2.5-day threshold. So I'm looking around. Let's mark this zone here to buy on the euro dollar, to buy around this zone here at the 135.50 level to buy it. So, but what we can do during London session is looking for a counter trend trade. You can trade them with small stop, of course, because you don't have to be exposed to the market so much. Look at the 15-minute chart, and there is not very clear accumulation channel here, which is I do not like. It's very small. As you can see, the accumulation channel is this one during Asia, and I would like to see big moves towards these levels here, the 3550, and we could start buying it from here. So again, bias is up the overall, because we have the 2.5 day, 5 day and 10 days up, and we'll see, we can take it from there. Okay, now let's have a look at the dollar Swiss. Of course, it's the opposite of the euro. So what I'm expecting this morning is, as this 2.5 day threshold has not been hit, so I expect it to be hit with three small swipes, double top, and I like this zone here. This is a fantastic zone where we're looking at the 20-day threshold and 50%, and the 2.5 day threshold, 20-day 50% and 2.5 day threshold. So we have this zone around the 0.9 100 level here. It is a fantastic zone to be looking at. Double top and sell the market. We could see a spike towards the 800 EMA on the 15-minute chart. Let's have a look what's above it, and what's above it is another zone. So we're looking at those zones. Look at these zones. This is a fantastic zone to sell. This is a big invitation, but we have to be careful if we don't want to miss the trade. So we will be trading around this zone here. So we got this zone and that zone and that zone. We could see it going up to those before we start selling, but we have to be careful. If we see a double top around this zone here, we have to sell, because we don't want to miss out on the trade with a very small tight stop. So we got this zone here and that zone here and also this zone here. Let's see how the market reacts and what we have, and there is a criteria for entry and exit in this kind of trading. So we will look at everything and see what happens. Okay, the euro yen is rising like crazy. Okay, so let's have a look at the 4-hourly chart. I would like to see the big pattern on this. So I'm looking at this now and I'm thinking, let's say this is there's not much retracement in this market, and that's what you see, those little bit and then those little bit. So I'm expecting this market to drop down a bit. Okay, so we're expecting another drop down to here somewhere, and then we could see this level here, the 134, 135.60, this zone to buy it again, for the market maker to continue with this market to the upside. He needs to go back a little bit, because he can't continue because he ran out of cash. So be careful with this pair. It's very aggressive, the euro yen. So I'm expecting here today, although we are on a very strong uptrend, I would like to short this pair today actually, and to look at the stop hunt high. Maybe I'm wrong in this shorting, because look at everything here is showing up, so I shouldn't be really shorting it. But looking at the 4-hourly chart, the market maker could be running out of cash here with this pair, because they've been moving this for a long time to the upside without any retracement. So take advantage of that. I mean, yes, we have reset, we've got one here, and it's like, you need to see, can you see this? We had this move here, and the market maker, we had this move here, and the market maker push that one a little bit so he can cash in, and then he's done the same here again without the push. So I'm expecting a push to the downside first, then stop hunt here. This is accumulation channel here, come down to this level here again at the 50%, 5-day 50%, and we have the 5-day threshold, and we have the 200 EMA also. So I'm expecting a double bottom here and then take it long to the upside, but I don't want to be chasing trades. Let's see how that forms today, and then we'll take it from there. Looking at the dollar yen again, let's have a look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen is same scenario. We've had fantastic, this was fantastic pair to trade. Let's have a look at the 4-hourly chart. It's trending well. So we've got, as you can see here, the spike. Look at that spike. My God, look at it, how they do this bearish engulfing. People say momentum, and the people, well, a lot of retail traders, they set orders here to go short, and they do it all the time, guys. You know, you've got to not fail for these tricks. They do it all day, every day, and they just trigger all these shorts, and then boom, buy. You know, they take all the stop out, and they trigger some people in, and they go, because they know people will go long here, and before they go long, little that you know, they stop you out and they go. There's no easy ride for nobody. Now we have one push. This is a reset that cycle, one, and then two, and then this is a small third push today. So I'm expecting a little pullbacks today on the dollar yen. So just be careful, you know, buy the dips. We need to, I'm not gonna sell this. We're just gonna be buying dips in this market, and to do a benchmark trade, we'll be buying dips in this market. So let's just be careful with that and see how it goes. That's it for today, guys. I'll be in Skype soon, and I will talk to you shortly. Have a great day and speak shortly. Thanks. Bye now.